Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super delicious alphabet chicken soup. So let's get straight into it. Alright, so these are some of the ingredients you'll need. This is also the alphabet pasta that I'll be using today. Again, every single thing in this video, except for the spices, some of them came from the Aldi grocery store. So that's where I picked it up at. And yeah, so let's get into it. Now, y'all, I was supposed to be sauteing the chicken first, but listen, chicken or veggies, just make sure you do one or the other before the other, okay? So I'm going to melt down some butter. I got a little distracted and ended up, sauteing the veggies first. However, when you're making this dish, just saute your chicken first and then add your veggies. Same thing, same difference. You get the point. Now we're not frying chicken, so we don't want it to be super dark or anything like that, but you want to get it nice and translucent. Soup and fall season is rapidly approaching, and so, this soup will be perfect and spot on. Well, unfortunately, I'm in Texas, so we ain't there yet. I'm praying within the next week or two we will be. But I really wanted some soup, so I decided to make some, and I've also never used this pasta before, and I just wanted to give it a try. Plus, I have a little one. She loved it. As a matter of fact, this soup is toddler friendly. Okay, so let's get into it. And my Lily, she tore it up. Okay, so I seasoned this with some smoked paprika, some red pepper flakes, and some roasted all-purpose seasoning, garlic seasoning. And now I removed the veggies because, again, like I told y'all, I flip-flopped. And now I'm going to spread out the chicken on the bottom and use the exact same seasonings, except I'm also going to use a little salt here. This is chicken. You got to season the chicken, okay? And yeah, so I seasoned twice because obviously, and I also used some onion powder. That onion powder was good too. Aldi got some good onion powder, child. So if you go to Aldi, and this is not sponsored, get you some onion powder, the organic one. It's really good. You can smell it and taste it. But get that nice and mixed up, and then I'm going to add my veggies right back down in here. Mix that again. It's a lot of mixing, okay? It's a soup. You're going to be mixing, mixity, mix until we get it together. So with the holiday season being a couple of months away, what do you guys have planned? Like, do you already have like a menu planned out and all this and that and the third, or travels? Let me know below. So now I'm going to add a cup of the alphabet noodles. I'm using a half a cup because that's what was clean at the moment, but in total it's 1 cup. I didn't want to use the whole bag because I didn't want it to be more pasta than soup and chicken. Now I'm gonna use a couple cups of my chicken stock and a couple cups of water. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. Make sure you guys check that out. Stir this up. Taste it if you feel like you need anything, but I waited until the pasta was cooked. Then I tasted it and I was like, all right, let me see. So after about 12 minutes, this is what the soup looks like. I stirred it every 5 minutes because it will stick. Y'all, look at this soup. Look how hearty it thickened up. Delicious. My house smells amazing. And now I'm going to finish it up with some parsley and some lime juice. Now, this lime was loosey-goosey, so I only used half. I didn't want it to be like super tart. But if you know your lemon or your lime ain't got nothing in it, please use the whole thing, okay? So mix it up, and that's it. The soup is ready, done, good to go, nice and fresh, hearty, thick, delicious, and so flavorful. And I can't wait for y'all to try it for real, for real. Y'all already know if it's up here, it's good. Okay, if it's up here, it's good. But yeah, and this is where I tasted it to see if I wanted any more salt. So make sure you taste your soup before you, plate it up. Also, let me know if you guys want any more soup recipes or any requests. Drop them below. and I'll see about making them. And so now I'm just going to pour it up into a bowl. No, I didn't have no grilled cheese or nothing. You don't need nothing else with this hearty soup, honey, okay? And look how delicious this looks. Like, it'll be great for any occasion, but definitely perfect if you have like a little cold or for the fall weather, like I said. But thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate your support. Don't forget to share, subscribe, drop a comment. Let me know what you think. And I'll catch you on my next video. And here go your spoon. For the ones that say I don't share, honey. Here go your spoon, okay? No, but for real. This soup is really good, and I hope somebody give it a try. And I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye.